Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the text, edit the rating, size of letter, found the letter, change the color. Then select the 3D shape, change the color, select the shadow, emboss button, light angle, change the background color, copy the letter, select the color filter, adjust the color of letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.